Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Welcome back to the loo. We are going to play with pouring paint today. I have had these pouring paints sitting around for quite a while because I used to do paint pouring all the time on my other channel, and then I kind of got away from it when I started doing resin tumblers all the time. But I still have all this gorgeous pre-mixed pouring paint and I want to use some of it today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reuse an old canvas that I don't particularly like that much. I have plain white canvases, but I figure I have closets full of used canvases that I might as well reuse again because nobody seems to want them. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to repurpose. So I'm going to get out a canvas. I am going to put this vase. So I got this for 99 cents at the local Goodwill. And I've got it sitting on a cup, so it's up off the canvas when we get set up. I'm also going to use my Massey Studios leaky cup. Actually, you have not seen me use this leaky cup here on this channel. I used it on the other channel when I did a massive PBO paints pour. I will link to that below if you haven't seen it. That was quite an extravaganza. I was trying to convince Anthony Crammon how great PBO paints were, and it didn't work, but it was a fun video anyway. So that's where I use this last. I'm going to use it here, put it on top of the vase and pour the paints into here onto the canvas, which again, I need to get set up still, but let's run through these real quick. These are all Artist Loft ready mixed pouring paints. We have gold and bright red and white and turquoise, bright blue, crimson, phthalo blue, sap green, a little bit of bright yellow, aqua green, and violet. So I'm going to use all of these colors, even though they don't all necessarily play well together, but we're going to use them anyway. Let me get set up and I'll bring you back just like that. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and that means it's going to take about 20 ounces of paint to do a paint pour on this, which gives you enough to tip and tilt and have some run off the edge. It will be running off the edge. Please don't despair. I even plan to use the skins from this pour, maybe from other pours. Definitely. I have a vast collection of skins from previous pours, and we'll make some jewelry. So these are two 9-ounce cups, which means I'm going to be filling each one of them completely. That'll be 18 ounces. I'll still need a couple more. Got paint on my canvas. Oh no. All right. All right, I'm going to let this go for about 5 minutes or so. When the dripping slows, I'm going to move the vase off and we will start tilting our canvas. Okay, we're back. I am going to try and move this without knocking anything over. Very, very carefully. Oh, come on. A little stuck there. Yeah. Shoot, man. I got it a bit. I got it one spot hit the side. Other than that, not too bad. A no vi tilt. If any of you guys are interested in paint pouring and you don't already watch Mixed Media Girl, please do yourself a huge favor and go subscribe to her channel. She has years and years and years and years and years of video content, and she does some of the most beautiful paint pouring there is. She's the one who got me into this. I've watched lots of other paint pouring artists, and I can link to some of them below if you're interested. But Marcy at Mixed Media Girl is just, she's like the queen. I'm going to be a lot happier with this than I was with the painting that we're covering up. Okay, that makes me extremely happy. I am going to bring you guys in for a close-up on this painting. So this is the lower right-hand corner. I apologize for the glare. Going up the right-hand side. Upper right corner. Across the top. Upper left corner, down the left side, lower left corner, across the bottom, and here's the middle. Isn't that just stunning? Oof. I love paint pouring so much. All right, now for the vase. So here's the vase. Hopefully you can see it close up. Here's another side. Here's another side. Just gorgeous. Okay, so I'll bring you back tomorrow and we will look at everything when it's a little drier. And then in a future video, we will, like I said, be using the skins, maybe from this pour and definitely from other pours to make some jewelry. And I will also bring back our beautiful vase and put resin on it so it's protected. I'll show you how to do that. So I'll see you back here when the painting is dry.